are you shocked if I say that Tesla might just go to 180? It was at about 480 high. And I remember when I bought in that time, it was about 180. And I think that Tesla potentially might have a chance to go to 180. Hello, this is Binni here. Today I want to do an analysis on Tesla, but just want to share that I posted an analysis on Tesla, real-time notifications on the trades that I posted or analysis that I posted. Remember to join this Telegram channel, because every time when I post something, I will just announce it at the Telegram channel. So remember to join the Telegram channel. I post only important things. All right, now this was the analysis that I did on Tesla, and I highlighted that 328. So this point here is 328, right, as the critical level. Right now Tesla is trading at 272 based on last night close, and the pre-market is showing Tesla is going up a little bit at 280. All right, this analysis I'll be sharing why I think that Tesla has a chance to go to 180. I mean, anything can happen, right? At a point of time when Tesla was about 480, if I were to say that it can go to 280, you would say, hey, look, that's crazy, because, you know, it's a drop of $200 and it's almost like 50% drop. But then, has it happened? Yes, it's right now trading at 280. So my earlier analysis was looking at Tesla, because this was a Tesla high point, the previous high, right? So I was thinking that it should be a little bit bearish if it doesn't stay above the previous high. So what I did was to mark in the highest point, and then this would be the other high point of Tesla. So these are the two green lines. If price doesn't stay above the two green lines, that means that there was a breakout here. But if it doesn't stay above and there was like a close below the two green lines, then this whole chunk here would be viewed as a wash and rinse. Okay, what is the meaning of wash and rinse, right? Wash and rinse means that previously there were people or traders who were buying at a higher price here, and they hope that Tesla would go higher, but it didn't, and it moved back down. Okay, so people who bought here, they will be making a loss. Okay, so they are being washed and then they're being rinsed back down. So this is wash and rinse. And if you like to know more about wash and rinse, I made a lot of videos, and here I've provided a link at the top right, so you should be able to find the wash and rinse video that you need to watch, right? But again, that if you want to know more about wash and rinse, you can look at this link here where you can download the ebook. All right, so back into Tesla here. So this point, right, it shows that it's a wash and rinse. But why do I especially mark up this point here? Okay, and why do I mark up 328 here, right? Because in my analysis, which is again using a special lines, and I call it a tag line, it's showing that if Tesla is below 362, right, this means that this whole uptrend that we are seeing in Tesla is going to be broken. That means that it's no longer an uptrend anymore. But more importantly, why I highlighted 328, right? The reason why I highlighted 328 is because of this middle point here. Have you clicked the subscribe button? And how about a like? Now this point here, it's how do I get it, right? Because if you take a look at the big picture of Tesla, Tesla is moving in this equidistant channel. Okay, so if I were to connect the high of this point to the high of Tesla, and I project that line, which is a parallel line, I'll be able to get the equidistant channel. So this line here is parallel to this line here, right? And I project that down to connect to the lowest point here, and that's the lowest point here, right? It's sort of very fitting. So either I will first connect these 2 points together to get this parallel line and project upwards, I'll be able to get this level here. So let me just demonstrate that to you. I'm going to clean away this equidistant channel and then connect these 2 points here. Okay, and project that to the highest point. Okay, so this is how I get this high point here, right? So somehow, sometimes we just have to shift a little bit, and then we probably be able to get that exactly that point here, or just near to that. Okay, so if this is true, that means that if this channel is true, and we do observe the middle line here, so this is the middle line, right, and it's providing a resistance, that means that whoever is using or trading the Tesla is observing this channel here and using the channel as a guide, right? So we saw that Tesla broke above the mid of that channel and stop here very nicely. Let me just zoom in and let you see. Right, so it broke and stopped here very nicely, and then I would be expecting that this would be a pause, right? Because this is the middle of the channel. So it goes to the high, it cannot stay at the high, it comes back down. The mid of that channel is going to provide a very important indication. Okay, so it's either going to stop here at the mid of the channel, but what happens if it breaks below that channel or the mid of the channel? That means that there is a chance for Tesla to come down towards the bottom of the channel if the market is trading Tesla along this channel here. That means that it's at the bottom, it goes up, hit the top, and it goes down, hit the bottom, it goes up to the mid of the channel, hit the mid of the channel, it comes down to that bottom of the channel here, you see nicely bottom of the channel, you hit the top of the channel, and then it goes to the middle of the channel again. And then if the market is really trading in this manner, then I would think that it's probably going to come to the bottom of this channel here. Well, that's like expected price probably around 180. It's alarming, but again, that as I mentioned earlier, I'm not saying that I'm negative about the Tesla. I'm just providing the technical aspect of Tesla. This is so far probably what the big guys has been trading Tesla and seen that it's like proven true. I'm not sure whether it will be true, but I will be using the bottom of the channel here as a guide, all right, for Tesla. But has Tesla moved to a support level? Yes, it is right now at a support level here. So this is the Tesla support level at this point here, right? So that was a previous high heading into support level. So yes, we are seeing a little bit of a rebound in Tesla. But yes, I'm just noting this level here. So again, that if you are looking into short-term trading, okay, I mean, as in I'm looking at a bit of a longer-term trading here, right? But if you're looking at a short-term trading, then yes, you can use certain instruments like DLCs to trade into Tesla. Okay, if you do not want to, go short directly on the shares. So for example, an SGX, right, SocGen issued DLCs on Tesla. That means instead of paying for the full price, you could pay like a fraction of the price and trade using DLCs if you are bearish on Tesla or if you are bullish on Tesla. All right, hope that this analysis is useful to you on analyzing Tesla. And if I see anything interesting, I'll post that in my Telegram group. And remember to follow this channel and my Telegram group. Okay, again, the link to the Telegram group is here. All right, see you in my next video.